go. 65. Heaters look good. None of your cloths have moved. And I checked the trailer, that looks good too.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, after we get it sprayed and glued, I've got a little tool here I made, and it's marked on the end. See the red markers? So I'm going to line that up with the two markers. I'm going to walk it in, and then I got a line here, a red line. So I'm going to line this one up. Okay, so line this one up over here. I'm going in first, and this is my way I gotta go in. Now,
I think you're gonna have to almost go by hand, Dad, and smush. Yeah, that
you
looks
do this
great.
and let me work. Let me get my knife and start cutting.
Okay. Roll faster. Like you mean it.
Well, that glue seemed to work.
Yes, it did.
Hot dog.
We've got all of the pre-wired lights pulled down. We're going to cut and splice in the actual lights themselves. We screwed up the light surround, impacted it into the aluminum, so these lights ought to just clip right up. And if I wired everything right, it should be a matter of turning that switch on. Yeah. Lights are all wired in. I think we did a pretty good job of trying to match the ceiling in the front of the horse trailer. Just got done installing the ceiling material for the rear and wiring up our ceiling LED lights. Got them on the switch there. Still have to do a bunch of trim, but it's up. Just installed our lighted grab bar.
Laser, you can go across here and see where they hit. Right at the top. Pretty flat.
Did you just buy that?
You know, had that for years, Deb.
Shush. Shush.